A 3D printed 1:23 scale RC car based on the Markle's 1800 GT. This post will be a rapid summary of the first 5 prototypes and the process of their creation. After my success designing RC boats, I wanted to conquer the land, the mechanical complexity of which was a lot higher than I ever expected. I started out by sketching the basic shape of the car and all the electronics that would need to go inside of it. I made sure not to go with the first idea and only decided on one after I had come up with 3 alternatives. I took the sketches to CAD, adding dimensionally accurate electronics and molded a frame around them, and so version 1 was born. A rapid proof of concept model, an absolutely crazy little car, had a mind of its own. The motor delivered enough power for non-stop wheel spin and it was plagued with constant oversteer. Version 2. Added go-kart-like bumpers protection, completely redesigned the steering mechanism and widened the electrical compartment. During the tests I located the cause of the oversteer to be friction on the front wheels. Version 3 drove well, fixing the friction issues of the front wheels. First to feature an outer body shell that didn't fit completely. Version 4. A lot of time was spent adding details to the body. The nose and back end were printed in flexible TPU filament. Version 5 raced against version 4 a lot of the time. Complete body aesthetics upgrade taking over 30 hours. Body now fits on after printing without the help from a Dremel. TPU body panels were changed to PLA. Painting took a long time but completely worth it on this one. We played varied games with the 2 cars, racing them till they broke. Then we printed replacement parts and continued. For a lot of the racing we had FPV cameras mounted on the cars, meaning we could lose a wheel in a crash and we would continue racing, often without even realising it. On all of the versions there were so many small changes that if listed this post would be 10 times as long. Even now the reason it's not uploaded is because I made a bunch of small changes and need to test them on a version 8. Looking back on this post, I'm left thinking one thing. Damn, TPU bumpers were a good idea. With how much I crash, I should do that again.